join NBA 2K Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go on Discord. Then once you're on Discord, you're gonna have to find the servers, and you're gonna have to scroll all the way down till you find Discord. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to search up NBA 2K. Then once you do that, it should be the first option that comes up right here where it said NBA 2K community. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to go scroll down. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the sign right here where it said join NBA community. Now as you guys can see, it's making me go into the game. It's NBA 2K25 season 4 right now, so it's showing me that. Now from here, you could choose whatever you want, but I'm gonna just choose give me everything for NBA 2K. Click on next. Click on find a good squad or teammate. Click on next. Click on all NBA news. It doesn't matter. You could choose whatever you want, but this is what I'm picking. You know what I'm saying? Now from here, select your console. You could pick iOS, mobile. You could pick whatever you want, but I'm gonna just go with PC, Steam. Now from here, make sure you select the rules. Click on finish. As you guys can see, you're in the NBA 2K Discord server. You could find teammates on mobile. You could find teammates on whatever. It doesn't matter. So you have people who's playing NBA 2K on mobile. You have people who's playing on PC. It doesn't matter. You can find people from all over the world. You can meet new people. So this would help you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.